OpenAI has introduced a new feature called Agent Mode, and it's already generating a lot of discussions. In this practical example, we will explore what agents can do and show you exactly how to use this new functionality. With ChatGPT agents, you can execute entire tasks from start to finish using its own virtual computer to get the job done. To demonstrate that, we will be designing and ordering some custom stickers. To run this task in agent mode, I select agent mode under tools, copy paste my pre-written prompt, and I'm gonna attach an image to this prompt, which I've already saved on my computer. I found a photo of a corgi, which I'm attaching to this prompt using the plus button. And I want the agent to generate a cute, fun, and print-ready design. Then find a UK-based sticker printing company and place the order on my behalf for 500 stickers to be delivered to our office. As soon as a prompt has been submitted, the agent starts building its own desktop environment, is able to conduct searches in the browser window, and takes control of the end-to-end task. My agent generates an anime-style file of the corgi. Then it searches for a UK printing company. You have probably noticed that there are still some limitations. For example, the agent ran into issues such as when it tried to access web pages that showed a 404 error. Eventually, my agent found a suitable supplier, uploaded the image, and prompted me to fill in the remaining details to finalize the order. And our stickers are on their way and will be with us soon as I will have entered the details. So that's our task complete. I hope you enjoyed this video.